Meet the brand new iPhone 16e, Apple's latest addition to the iPhone lineup in 2025. It's fast, fresh, and surprisingly affordable. But is it worth your money? Let's break it down. Overview. The iPhone 16e is Apple's official replacement for the SE series. It brings a modern design, USB-C charging, a powerful A18 chip, and a stunning 48-megapixel camera, all in a compact, accessible package. Design and display. Finally, no more bezels or Touch ID. The 16e features a 6.1-inch Super Retina display with Face ID. It's bright, responsive, and a major leap over the SE. You also get a sleek aluminum body, MagSafe support, and that sweet flat-edge design we've come to love. Performance. Inside, it's got the A18 chip, the same one found in the iPhone 16. That means excellent performance, whether you're gaming, editing, or multitasking. Pair it with iOS 18.3 and Apple Intelligence features, and you're holding serious power in your palm. Camera. The 48-megapixel main camera is a game changer. It captures sharp details and vibrant colors, and even offers 2x lossless zoom digitally, great for content creators on a budget. Battery, charging, and connectivity. You finally get USB-C, meaning faster charging and easier cable management. Battery life. It easily lasts a full day with normal use. And yes, it supports eSIM only in many regions, so make sure your carrier is compatible. Price and verdict. The iPhone 16e starts at $599, and it's probably the best value Apple phone in years. Clean design, flagship chip, solid camera. What's not to love? Sure, it lacks ProMotion and a second camera, but for most users, this phone delivers exactly what you need. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments, would you pick the 16e over the regular iPhone 16? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more tech breakdowns.